Easter Sunday. I want to wish a very, very happy Easter to everyone observing today, and also those of you who observed Passover on Friday and Saturday nights. This is a wonderful, true weekend of new beginnings and renewal and celebration, and we hope that all of you are with the people you love most. Now, what we're going to do is bring you a set of 3 nesting bowls from Temp-tations, and they're all a Flutter. They're all a Flutter because these are beautiful butterfly patterns. Now, scallop bowls, all made of stoneware, and you can see the sculptural detail on the outside of each bowl. They also come with their plastic storage covers, but remember, these are stoneware. You can bake in these. They can go in the microwave. They go into the fridge and the freezer. They'll go into the dishwasher, all those areas, and they'll go to grandmother's house with that wonderful side dish for Easter dinner and all the other special occasion dinners you've got coming up. Now, joining us today is someone you don't see on our Sunday show very often, but it's always a pleasure when she can join us. Lisa Lasorte is here, working right alongside Tara, to bring all the beautiful Temp-tations items to all of us. And Lisa, a real pleasure to have you here. Happy Easter to you and your family.
Oh, happy Easter, my friend. It's so great to see you. And this speaks spring in volumes all the way into summer, doesn't it, David? This is our seasonal all of Flutter pattern, only available at this time of the year. And we're giving you 3 great sizes, a 3-quart, a 2-quart, and a 1-quart bowl. And this is truly what we talk about with Temp-tations with the magical transformation, being able to prep and cook and serve and store all in one dish, David.
Now, these are going to include a 1-quart, a 2-quart, and a 3-quart bowl. The plastic storage covers come along with these. So now, when you are taking something out of the oven, or if you've made maybe a pasta salad or a potato salad and you don't want the flies to get to it, when you bring it out to the barbecue, you can pop those plastic storage lids right on top, correct?
That's absolutely correct. They fit perfectly, and they net down together when you want to store, David. And then what I love about it as well is how great they stack in the refrigerator. But this is such a special pattern for us because this is all a Flutter. That means that those beautiful butterflies and the beautiful flowers that you see right here are literally engraved into the outside of that dish right there. So if you hear my nails, that's because the pattern is so beautiful right there, all embellished all the way around. Beautiful ruffling along the edge, and then the glass glaze is what brings these 4 colors to life all the way to the very bottom, David. Right there, you see that beautiful butterfly. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Just stunning. And again, only available at this time of the year, but it's a statement piece, whether you fill it or whether you leave it out empty somewhere in your living room or your kitchen.
Oh, and Lisa, the colors are beautiful and so springtime. The one in front of me is called lavender. So we've got the beautiful lavender for you. And then here on the back table, I've got 3 other color choices for you. Here's the teal. And from the teal, we go to our pink. And finally, we go to our buttercream. And buttercream is the most popular. Now, it's important to realize, Lisa, that these are all stoneware pieces. So if I want to mix a cake in here, I've got my oil, my water, and my eggs in the smaller bowl. I'll add that to my box mix here, and then grab my KitchenAid stand mixer, and I can go right into this bowl and begin mixing, right?
Yeah, this is what's so great about it. The truly magical transformation that you can prep and cook and serve and store all in one dish. Don't be afraid to use this. Stoneware is what our grandmothers used. It's what their grandmothers used. And it's meant to not just be pretty, but to be functional as well. And David, you're proving it right there, right up against the side of the bowl, right?
Right. And I'm getting all the little lumps of dry incorporated into the wet. Let me turn my mixer up a little bit. There we go. Hear that against the side of the bowl. No worries, no damage.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And look what we did over here. To finish what you just did, we actually baked a cake. So we took what you did, that great mixing demo right there, and then we put it in the oven. We baked it at about 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, just a box cake mix, took it out and iced it. And now this is literally what I'm going to be serving my family today for the Easter holiday. So this is where you get to literally think outside of the box. Why not make a cake in a bowl? They are our customers' #1 request. We just reach for bowls all the time.
Now, one thing that we want to point out too, you can bake inside these, and because of that glaze, look at this. Look at that cake popped out really beautifully. And I don't know if you can see it in the bottom of the cake, but the butterfly motif is imprinted right into the cake.
How much fun is that, right? I mean, again, These are beautiful, filled or empty, and these are statement pieces, but they're functional and gorgeous. So I love that you can bake in them. You can put your cold salads in here, David, because stoneware is going to keep cold foods colder longer. Like over here, I did a whole barbecue display, and it'll keep your hot foods hotter longer. So as we're can't wait to get outside for all those great summer barbecues, imagine filling these with your summer salads. Great sizes because you're going to have the 1 quart, here's the 2 quart, then here's that nice big 3 quart. We have some matching ramekins that you can find on QVC.com. Pair it with a platter and your hot dogs and hamburgers, and all of a sudden, you have a conversation stopper at your table because this is incredibly gorgeous as well.
So easy and so perfect. And you get a 1, 2, and a 3-quart bowl. So all of our quart sizes are included there, plus the plastic storage covers. If you wanted to pack these up like we've done here with some cello and fill them with cookies and let it be a housewarming gift, a graduation gift. College graduations are now, what, about a month away. And so you got a lot of seniors who will be graduating, going away, and outfitting their first apartments. Could be a really important gift idea. Now, we've got some great color choices for you. I have this in buttercream, which is most popular, with only 1,500 left in the buttercream. Here's the pink, 1,100 in that pink, and then here's the teal, 1,400. And don't forget, I also have lavender. Fewer than 700 in the lavender, and this is most limited. So a 1 quart, then we have a 2 quart, and then a 3-quart bowl. These are so perfect. And Lisa, you know as well as anyone, every time that Temp-tations does bowls, everyone comes clamoring for them because they're looking for side dish bowls, they're looking for accessory bowls to go with some of their different bakers. These are perfect for that.
Yeah, and that's what we're talking about, right? This is what we're used to in our kitchen. Maybe it's our glass bowls, maybe it's those metal bowls. These are great for utilitarian uses, right? But you can't put these in the oven up to 500 degrees. Of course, you can't put these in the microwave. And we're not always so proud to display our foods in here. So imagine taking your entertaining game to another level. You now have these soft shades of the beautiful pastels that we have, which, by the way, we only have at this time of the year. So if you love the yellows, the pinks, the purples, and the teals, this is great. And I love mixing and matching them, David, as well. It's a beautiful color display on your table.
Oh, it's just incredible. Lisa, this is so fun and just the right time. Comes at just the right time, and they're just the right size. 1 quart, 2 quart, 3 quart. All coming your way for 5 payments of $8.91. Lisa, a real pleasure to have you with us today.
David, so great to see you. I'll see you in a little bit.
We'll see you back in a little bit with another great item, okay?
Sounds great.
Thank you so much. All right, we're going to move in.